Hello and a warm welcome. In today's talk, I will talk about what you should do when you're in the no man's land. And if this is your very first video, you have no idea what is no man's land, then do one thing. Go to my previous videos. I've talked about different phases of a dream accomplishment. So what you should do in a no man's land is this. Number one, do not quit. Yes, you heard correctly. Do not quit. You know why? Because right after the darkest night will come the sunlight. That's how it works. I have faced it 3 times in my life. When I was struggling to clear GATE exam, I gave one more time. I said, no point quitting. Let me give one more time. All India rank 50. I was not getting the right job which I wanted. Let me give one more interview. I got the right interview. Similarly, I was struggling in my business world. I struggled. I went on. Let me give one more try. So do not quit. Second thing you should do is be part of a growing community. Why? Because it will work like a sea waves. Sometimes you will be creating waves, and many times you will not be creating waves, but you will be riding on somebody else's waves. So it's very important that you be part of a growing community, because when you are not in momentum, somebody else is in momentum and you will ride on their momentum. That will keep your positive momentum going on. And the third most important thing which you should do when you're in the no man's land is work on yourself. The day we start blaming circumstances or people about our problem, we lose control of our life. Remember this: if anything good it is happening in your life, it is because of you. If anything bad is happening in your life, it is because of you. If that fundamental principle we can understand in our life, there will be no problem. So these are the 3 things you can apply when you're in no man's land. If you have some experience when you're in this no man's land, why don't you share your experience? If you resonate with my thoughts, share it with other people. Let them also get benefit. And tomorrow I'll talk 3 more points which you should do when you are in no man's land. I will meet you tomorrow. Until then, bye-bye.